Welcome back. So we have rebooted, restarted, and the look that we're having now is this up here with this as design. And we have all these white icons at the bottom, which is easily solved. Basically, they're all pointing to a certain application, and we have the scripts available easy on ArcoLinux. Just click this, type that, click here and run 0. And we've also created an ISO for this particular look. And on these icons, Spotify, VSL code, VS Code, Sublime Text, Ink, Inkscape, all of those guys are installed. And if you're on ArcoLinux, you have just this, for example. One of the possibilities is just go and install everything. And he's going to get, and certainly, voila, Sublime Text is there already at the very beginning. Yes, I'd like to have chat WM. And you'll see the icons pop up gradually once the applications have been installed. I don't think we can actually see this or read this somehow. Doesn't matter. So the icons will pop up once the application is there. As simple as that. Twitter is, Telegram is there, Discord, they're all in here somewhere in the white guys. So that's that. Let's put you out of the way on the second screen. So this is our look that we can have. The problem that I had with the configure desktop wallpaper is still there. So never mind. You have to let go sometimes. Slideshow, apply. That's what I like to have out of the box. Here is Chromium coming. Discord is here now. So everything comes in gradually. That's simple screen recorder, and that's the terminal. So this is the look that we have now. We went to our own icons. They are a match. They're complete. But we do like the little logo up here. And there is also, if you log out, log in, you'll see that you have something similar Apple look. So the settings are the Monterey dark. We've deleted the light one, we just want the dark. We have quantum dark as choice here. Plasma style is Monterey dark. Again, no light. Colors left this one. There is still the light one I see. Window decorations is arc dark, but you can have these guys as well, these buttons. We did not care for it because of the color differences. And Surf and Plasma Dark Tela as icons. The cursor is the white one. But there are others, I think. Yep, sure, there are others. Font management is was 11. We did not notice that. 11 instead of 10 normally, I think. Splash screen is none at this point in time. You can have this button, this thing, apply, and then you have this Apple little logo. And then the boot splash, you'd like maybe the spinner or the breeze or anything you like. That's what we've been playing with. And yes, you can install it on ArcoLinux as well. But I think the smart thing to do now is stop with the project of Power. And so this will be the last video for it, and wait for Plasma 6 to arrive and see what changes and how it will affect ArcoLinux and Plasma and any any theme out there that we can find on the KDE store. All right, have fun. In the meantime, as you see, it's still busy. Still one to go. Well, the rest, all the guys are here, and this really does give me the vibe of a little Apple up here. And if you open, like for instance this one, there is no menu up here. There is a menu up here, and that really is the vibe of Mac, right? Of Apple. So we open this one here. Let's see what he does. He does differently. So no, not gonna go. Some of the apps, I suppose, this is a Plasma thing, Dolphin. He says, okay, that one needs to go up here. So there you go. In the meantime, we have the last icon. Which was it? Was it this one? Thunar? No. Telegram? One of those. Anyway, this is the look that we have now. And all we needed to do is, oh yeah, voila. So the theme here and F12, they're all blurred. So it's just an option, it's just a setting. But we explained all of that inside our videos about power. So if you want to learn more about Plasma, that's also interesting. But the main target is ISO builders, distribution, distro builders, people who want to start their own distribution, workflow, applications, how to think, how to solve, and voila. But users, of course, you can learn something, always something from the videos. All right, cheers for now. The power project is frozen. We'll wait for Plasma 6. In the meantime, he's finished as well. So I need to reboot and then check it out. All right, cheers.